Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and what I wanted to do was work on how can you manipulate files using a JavaScript. Okay, I've done this in my Python videos. Now I'm doing it in my JavaScript videos. So basically, we're gonna create a new file, and let's just do it over here, new file, and we'll just call this files.js. Cool, and we need just to bring in the library. So usually it's const fs equals require fs. Although honestly, I like calling this files or file. This makes it semantic. Okay. And then let's just take a look at my W3 school. I just always forget it's, yeah, fs. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is let's first create a file. So file dot write. Then we set the name of the file we're going to write to. We'll just call it test.txt. Then we're going to, and then it should basically create a file if the file does not exist. So when we run it, we should end up having a test.txt appear, and we're going to write to it. Look, Ma, I wrote to a file. Okay, and then I think we have a callback. Data, I'm pretty sure it is. So basically, if there's an error, writing to the file, we'll get error. If we succeed, then you get data back. Okay. And I'm just going to console.log the data out of curiosity. Okay, so let's try this out. I have a feeling that I didn't do it 100% right, but we will try it out first. Node, this time we want to do files.js. Okay, let's see what it did. See here, throw a new error. Argument type. Must be a type number received by type string. Let's take a look. Where did I go wrong? Let's go right over here to write. Oh, was it write file? My bad. It was write file. That's why it didn't work. I'm using the totally wrong function. Okay. Okay. Let's just take a quick look. Got it. I got it all sorts of confused. So let's adjust. Okay, and in this case, this callback, just if there's an error, gets passed in, and then we'll just say success, assuming there's success. And just to make sure that's the case, what we'll do is I'll make it if there's an error, console.log problem, else console log success. Okay, let's save that. Cool. So let's try this out. Success. And there it is. Test.txt. And what does it say inside of it? Let's take a look. Look, Ma, I wrote to a file. Nice. Now let's try reading to that file. Okay, so I'm going to comment this out. That wasn't so hard, right? Now we're going to do file.read file. Okay, and then here we just have to specify the name of the file. Test.txt. Okay, and let me just double check so that way I don't go through the same rigmarole as last time. I'm pretty sure it's just the name of the file, then we get the callback. No, not append file. Read file. Yep, just that in the callback. And there you have the error data. Okay, so then we get the callback. Cool. Then we just do error data. And we'll just say if error, then console log the error. If else, console log the data. So it'll read the file. It just takes all the contents. And yeah, save. Ah, it's a buffer. Okay, so whenever you get a buffer, which is what we have here, okay, it's a pretty easy fix. You just do dot to string. Okay, you probably saw that when I had to deal with that in the command line video with spawn and exec and all that stuff, because all the input and output comes out as a buffer there as well. So save. And there you go. So we took that buffer and turned it into a string. And then you can parse that string, do whatever you want with the string. So this just allows you to save data or read data from a file because you want to do that. Cool. Okay. Now let's say we want to add stuff to the file. Okay, then we're going to do file dot append file. Test.text. Okay. I'm just going to append stuff to it. And then there's a callback. I'm just going to copy the same callback from over here. So, yeah. Okay. I'm going to uncomment this stuff out. Still need the... Yeah, that works. I think I need another curly bracket over here. There we go. Save. Good. So this should add the word stuff to our test.txt. So let's give that a shot. Success. So let's see here if we go to test.txt. Did we add stuff? Yes, stuff got added to it. Okay, now we want a new... Let's see what happens if I do this. Let's go back to our files.js. I'm going to append stuff again, except this time I'm going to add the new line character in front of it. Okay, see.